Hey everyone, my name is George Blanco. I am a senior artistic educator with PRAVANA, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a teased balayage effect using some foils, and we're going to be spicing it up a little bit by infusing some Chroma Silk Vivids.
Alright, this is my beautiful model Christina. She is a natural level 6 and she does have a couple of lightened ends from previous color from many moons ago. Before anything, I will be utilizing PRAVANA's Purify and Revive Prime Spray. This is a demineralizing priming spray that ensures that the hair is free from any harsh chemicals or minerals that could cause and lead to potential damage. So all you have to do is spray the product directly onto the hair, leaving it on for 3 to 5 minutes before your chemical service. I like to brush it through to ensure that it's properly saturated and I can move on to my next step. Alright. I have now divided my client's hair up into 5 subsections. I tried to wrap that hair up really tight to ensure that there's no hairs getting in my way as I work my way throughout the entire head. This just ensures that the hair is clean, my work is clean, and everything is smooth sailing. For today's technique, I will be beginning in the back of the head at the nape of the neck, grabbing horizontal sections 1/4 of an inch thick. In one hand I will be holding that hair tight with a lot of tension, and in the other using my hand to backcomb that section up. As you can see here, I'm using my comb to really backcomb that section pretty tightly, but you also do want to make sure that that backcomb isn't too tight to ensure that you don't have an issue unraveling the tease once you're done. Once that section is nice and clean, I grab my foil and I place my lightener down. Pro tip, make sure that your sections are thin enough to where you can actually see the foil through that section. This just makes sure that the section is thin enough to where you can properly saturate the hair. It's not too thick or too dense to where you can get those hollow spots and the oopsies that can happen when lightening hair. I make sure that that section is properly saturated, and I like to feather my lightener up. This just checks all my boxes and I have ease of mind that it's going to be as blended as possible. I'm going to be repeating this technique up throughout the entire head and making sure to work section by section, ensuring that my tease is strong, that my saturation is there, and that I'm blending throughout the entire way. Now that I have finished the entire application of my lightener and the technique, I'm going to allow it to sit for up to 55 minutes, and I will be constantly checking the hair to make sure that it's lifting correctly and that the hair is still in perfect condition. I am mixing up PRAVANA's Express Tones to pre-tone my client's hair and set that tone, so as I'm applying my Vivids work, I don't have to worry about any residual warmth from lightening. This is a fantastic option for evening out the canvas, and when I lay that Vivid work on, it goes on seamlessly and even as possible. With that hair now being completely dry, I can lay down my Vivids. I custom formulated a periwinkle shade and a beautiful lavender shade. I like to alternate these to give a beautiful multi-dimensional vivid look. Back to the chair to style. I prepped her hair using the Intense Therapy leave-in conditioner and the Polish and Reunite split end mender. Both of these together are a fantastic duo for a bouncy and beautiful blowout, but I wanted to be a little bit extra, so I gave her some beach waves and the look was done.
Thank you guys for being here. Thank you, Pravana, for the opportunity. If you want more educational videos like this one, like and subscribe to Pravana's YouTube page, where you can see more educators like myself or any of our content creators that can help inspire those looks. Follow us on all of our social media pages like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. If you'd like to see more from me, you can follow me on my social media pages at George Blanco, and I would love to see you there. So thank you guys, I appreciate it. I'll see you on the other side. Goodbye.